Today I'm busting the myth of duality and why the concept of non-duality is so challenging for most people to understand. But when you understand it, it's going to really help with your spiritual growth. So stay tuned. In a nutshell, the meaning behind duality is a concept or a philosophy that everything is separate. We, each of us, are separate individuals from each other and from God or divinity, which makes sense if you take in everything that we see as truth. And this is why, because our ego gives us a sense of self as being separate and different, this is why it's so hard for us to grasp this concept of oneness or non-duality. But you may have heard me say before that everything in the cosmos is energy, and we are connected through that energy. It's God's energy. It all comes from source. And everything that's ever been created is made up of this energy, and we're interconnected. And this is why when something happens on one side of the planet, it can have a ripple effect and set things off or in motion on the other side of the planet, because it's all interconnected. Each one of us, even though we look separate, we have divinity inside of us. We're not separate. We're connected through the collective consciousness and our auras, our personal energy field. We're connected with everyone else on the planet, but we're connected with divinity because it's part of us. God's love and light is how we were made, and we each have it in us, and through it, we're all connected. This is why we have to support and love each other. We are all connected and one human race. Let me know in comments if you have any questions about this topic, and I'll see you on the next video.